Now let's solve general linear equations with variables on both sides. Often as we are solving linear equations, we need to do some work to set them up into a form we are familiar with solving. So in this video, we will focus on manipulating an equation to solve in such a way that we can use our pattern for solving two-step equations to ultimately arrive at the solution, which we previously discussed in the other video. So often the parentheses can get in the way of solving an otherwise easy problem. So we need to get rid of the unwanted parentheses by using the distributive property. Say for example, this problem here. We're given 4 times 2x minus 6 equals 16. So the expression 2x minus 6 is inside the parentheses. To get rid of the parentheses, we just have to distribute 4 to 2x minus 6 to each term. So that would be 4 times 2x, and then copy the operator sign, which is minus 4 times 6 equals 16. So by simplifying each expression, 4 times 2x, that would be equal to 8x, and then 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Then now we can use the two-step, solve this using this two-step equation, inverse operation, using the inverse operation. So we want to get rid of the negative 24 here. So we add 24 to both sides. So that would be negative 24 plus 24, that is equal to 0. So we are left with 8x. And on the other side, we add 16 and 24. So we get 40 here. So to solve for the value of x, we just have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. Then we get x equals 5. And then another example here. 3 times 2x minus 4 plus 9 equals 15. So we work on the expression with the parentheses first. So to get rid of the parentheses here, we distribute 3 to the expression inside the parentheses, which is 2x minus 4. So that would be 3 times 2x, then copy the operator sign, minus 3 times 4. Then copy 9 equals 15. So by simplifying this, we get 6x, and then 3 times 4, that is 12, plus 9 equals 15. Then we group like terms. We can just add up negative 12 and 9. So that would be equal to negative 3. So we are left with the equation 6x minus 3 equals 15. We can use the inverse operation. We want to get rid of 3 here, negative 3. So we add 3 to both sides of the equation. So we are left with 6x here equals 18 from 15 plus 3. Then to solve for x, we divide both sides by 6. Then we get x equals 3. Then another example. 4x minus 6 equals 2x plus 10. So in this case, we just have to group like terms. So 4x and 2x are alike, so we can group them. We can just leave 4x as it is and then move 2x to the left. Since 2x here is positive, then by moving it to the other side, the sign would change to negative. So we have 4x minus 2x. And then 6 here, negative 6 and 10 are alike. So we can move negative 6 to the right. That would become positive 6. So that would be 10 plus 6. Simplifying the equation, 4x minus 2x, that would be equal to 2x. Then 10x plus 6 is equal to 16. To solve for x, we just have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, and then we get x equals 8 as our answer. Then the next example, negative 3x plus 9 equals 6x minus 27. So the same process, we group like terms. Negative 3x here and 6x are alike. So we just leave negative 3x as it is, and then we move 6x together with negative 3x. Since 6x is positive, the sign would change to negative, so that would be negative 6x, and that would become negative 3x minus 6x. And then on the other side, on the right side, we have negative 27, so we just leave negative 27 as it is, and then we move positive 9 to the right. That would become negative 9. So we have negative 27 minus 9. And then we just simplify the expression. Negative 3x minus 6x, that would be negative 9x. And negative 27 minus 9, that would be negative 36. To solve for x, we just have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 9. Then we get x equals 4. Another example. So in this case, we have an expression inside a parenthesis, so we need to get rid of the parenthesis first. So we distribute 2 to x minus 5. So this would become 2x minus 2 times x minus 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Plus 3x equals x plus 18. So it will be 2x minus 10 plus 3x equals x plus 18. And then we group like terms. So 2x, 3x, and x here are alike. Then we can group them together. So we can simplify 2x and 3x first. 2x plus 3x is just 5x. Then copy negative 10 equals x plus 18, and then we group 5x and x. We move x to the left. That would become negative x, and we move negative 10 to the right. That would become positive 10. So that would be 5x minus x is equal to 4x. 18 plus 10 is just equal to 28. So to solve for x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. Then we get x equals 7. Okay, our next example is this. So we're given here 2 expressions in 2 parentheses. So again, we get rid of the parentheses, so we distribute 4 to the expression inside the parentheses, and then 3 to this expression inside the parentheses. So this would be 4 times 2x minus 4 times 6, and this one is 3 times x minus 3 times 7. So by simplifying this, this would be equal to 8x, and this one is negative 24. And then just copy, bring down 9, plus 9. Then this one would be 3x minus 21. Then copy, plus 8x. Then we simplify this expression here. 8x Minus 24 plus 9 is just equal to 8x minus 15. Negative 15 is from negative 24 plus 9. And then on the other side, 3x and 8x are alike, so we can add them up. It would be 3 plus 8 is 11. It would be 11x minus 21. And now we can group like terms again. We move 11x to the left and negative 15 to the right. So 11x would become negative 11x moved to the left, and then negative 15 would become positive 15 moved to the right. By simplifying this, 8 minus 11, 8x minus 11x is equal to negative 3x. And then on the other side, negative 21 plus 15 is just negative 6. Then solving for x, we just have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. Then we get the answer of 2. X equals 2. So I wrote here some practice problems for you to work on. Please try solving them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.